I'm coming.
About what, 6 of them? Oh no. Huh? It's 6, right? Hanging bridges.
So it's 500 steps down to the waterfall. So here we go. We're starting off. Here we go. So we got some young ladies coming back up. But look at the design. It's very beautiful. So as you can see that it gets a little tiring. You gotta take a few breaks to come back up. I'm even taking breaks going down because my head's starting to hurt. I think I'm at 100 right now. Alright, as you guys can see, the steps kind of change a little bit. So it looked like the government worked to put in these different types of steps. As you can see, the green, to make sure that people are a little bit more safe. And that blue sign right there tells me that I've come down to 200 steps. Taking pushes. Hotel $100. And he drove us there, drove us back. But when we got there, we found out for people going Costa Rica, you want to go La Fortuna, it's only $18 at the desk to go, and you can take a Uber or a taxi from the town, which is not more than 5 minutes away.